Good morning, students. Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Sankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, we were doing the chapter The Lost Child, and we again in the first part we have discussed how the parents along with their little child went towards the fair, seeing the balloon shops, the sweet shops all around in the fair. The child got attracted towards the shops, and he wants his parents to fulfill his desire so that he can buy the toys, or he can eat some sweets. So meanwhile, in the way of going towards the fair, he saw the mustard fields, and he tried to catch the like the insects, that was the brown winged insects. Okay, so that was the way and the beauty of the nature while going towards the way. Now in the next part, what happens? The next part states that the missing of the child, like while going towards the fair, the child lost the way and he lost his parents. Okay, so it was like finally he came to the place where a roundabout was in full swing. Roundabout means what? Roundabout is something like the round, okay, moves with a circular motion, a game zone type. In garden, you must have seen a roundabout which moves on a circular motion. So the child also here the place where a roundabout was in full swing, men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion. When the child entered the place where it was a roundabout, so the boy was attracted towards the roundabout, and he saw the little children, many more children were there. He saw the children, the men, women, everybody was enjoying with the roundabout, and that too with a whirling motion. Now whirling means we can say circling, circular motion. Okay, they shrieked means cry. Okay, in the third form it is, but actually shriek means cry. So in shriek, they cried, and with dizzy laughter, with confused laughter, they were confused. You must have enjoyed the ride of this roundabout in many gardens. Okay, the child also wanted to go on the roundabout. He made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply from his parents. So, seeing the other people enjoying their ride on roundabout, the boy also requested his parents so that he also can enjoy the ride. But his parents didn't reply a single word, because they don't want their child to get hurt. Main reason was they don't want to hurt their child. Okay, actually he was attracted by the roundabout. He stayed and watched the roundabout. So seeing the people, he got attracted. He became very happy that might be possible he also can get the enjoyment with this roundabout ride. But his parents said no. They didn't replied only. Okay, so the boy stayed there, and he watched the people enjoying with roundabout. To his surprise, when he turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. So when he was looking, he was enjoying. He saw the roundabout people enjoying on their ride. Okay, so the boy was looking continuously at the people with the shocked eyes. Okay, so he was continuously busy in enjoying the ride by seeing the people, because he cannot go to that ride. Why? Because his parents said no. Okay, so he stayed there and he looked, but when he turned back, so he looked, as he turned back, he saw that his parents were not there. He turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. Okay, actually he was lost. He found that he was lost. Okay, so in like how the journey started from his village to the fair, and how the child lost with his parents, from his parents. Okay, in the next part we will study how the child, little boy, and the parents got together. Okay, in the next part we will study that. So that's all in this class. Okay.